Okay, we are here with Kitti, and he is the Managing Director of Krasstec Thailand. Can you explain to us about this machine that is here?
Okay, we will show you how this punching machine TruPlanch 3000 works. Firstly, we will show you how to vacuum the sheet from the vacuum carrier instead of by using the label. So we're using this vacuum system to handling the sheet metal on the machine. So by this, your label will not be exhausted, and also the sheet will not have any scratch. So now you can see we put the sheet on the right position, and we will demonstrate the sheet. This machine is a new design, new development from TRUMPF. The first time we show in Asia. The main point is compared to the past punching machine, this machine can save the scrap about 30%. So it means that you can save a lot of cost, at least another 10 to 15% on your cost. In the same sheet, you have less scrap, you have more workpiece.
Can you explain how it cuts the machine, the metal?
The machine, you can see the machine, not only the cutting, the speed, but we have a good software network to remain very few scrap. And it's automated load down the scrap into the tank. So no need to use the labor.
Right. And who are the main customers who are buying this sort of machine?
Our main target group, they are general shop who invest the machine, and they are subcontracted by any customer.
And how much does this machine cost?
This machine, it costs about roughly 200,000 euro up.
Right. And have you sold any of these machines yet?
This machine already sold.
Yes.
So after the exhibition, will be transported to the customer.
Right. Have you sold any other machines, or is this just one?
This is the brand new one. So this is the first machine in Thailand.
Yes. Okay. And how many of these machines do you want to try and sell in the next year?
Initially, we think that at least we can sell at least 5 machines per year.
Right. Okay. And what is the specific benefit of this machine versus your competitors?
This scan letter free concept, our competitor don't have.
Right.
So it means that we have the slogan that turn the weight into money.
Right.
So the sheet is fully utilized, no scrap.
Right.
What I mean no scrap is for the small part.
Yes.
But for the big part, of course, it will not save too much. Right. For the small part, can save from 30% up to 50%.
Right. And what is like the new technology that is used in this machine? What have you developed that is new?
Because we have, TRUMPF have developed a new punching head. That is electrical punching head. Previously, we are using hydraulic punching head. So it's less maintenance. And even though it's an electrical punching head,
yes,
but it can punch up to 6.4 millimeter thickness.
6.4 millimeter thickness.
Yeah, 6.4.
Okay. And what sort of products, what sort of pieces would people be making with this machine?
This machine can be processed for any kind of industry.
Yeah.
Start from electronic part,
Yeah.
aircon, steel furniture, or any sheet metal work. Because it's different to laser cutting.
Right.
Laser, you can cut only the flat sheet, but punching, you can cut the flat sheet. You can cut the foam sheet. So also can do some bending.
Yes. You said you already sold this machine. The customer who you sold it to, do you know what they will be using it for?
They are in the thermal industry.
Right.
From here, I will show you it's not a machine, but anyway, it's a fastening technology. It's an important product for the assembling industry. I will show you later.
Okay.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, we have developed something that works also on sheet metals.
Yes.
So we have got the requirement from our sales to find technical alternatives to stud welding.
Yes.
If you have Class A surface or prepared surfaces concerning coating or lightweight structures, and we developed a system, we call it on-sert, because the part is placed on top of each other by bonding. So here we see at least a very simple test lab equipment where we try to bond in seconds to a surface. So that means here we see an aluminium with surface treatment where the common stud welding would not work because you harm or damage the surface. And I would like to show you how easy this system works.
Okay.
So that means in the first step you put the adhesive, you call it dispensing, on the substrate. Then you put it away and simply taking a stud, put it there. The transparent socket is necessary to get the light in it. You might know this technology from UV hardening at the dentist.
All right.
So, but in this case it doesn't hurt. So you simply placing blue light with volume equipment. It takes you approximately 1 to 4 seconds. With this test lab equipment it takes you around 10 seconds. And then you receive a reliable bond. And what happened to the fastener could be seen here. You shear off at least the metal stud or break the plastic part. And this gives, especially for the background of lightweight structures, new opportunities. Steel with high yield strength or surface structures like Class A lacquer, you could place it in a very late step in the production of a motorcycle or railway transportation. If we stay with sheet metals, because it's a sheet metal application. Of course, any kind of plastics or glass would work the same way.
And how have you found the demand for this increasing?
So that means we started with a benchmark. And on the other hand, due to the fact that we are a big automotive sub-supplier, we noticed that their lightweight structures are on the way up. And with this lightweight structure, where you mix plastic, aluminium, high yield strength, steel, you have to find alternative solutions to common fastening technologies. And then together with a partner, the adhesive comes from company Dilo. Bölow went into our test labs and we tried to find something. And in Europe, we have the first volume applications in automotive and white goods industry on this surfaces and structures I've explained before.
And today, what sort of customers have been showing interest in this?
The OEMs themselves, because they see alternative to fix this kind of elements to their structures. Then the white goods industry as well for the sheet metal parts, but you could also imagine the glass panels, the touch panels, because you see nothing, because it's a cold process, so you see no markings at the view side. Then the transportation industry, that means railway, train, builders, and last but not least, of course, aerospace and aviation industry, who have a tendency to use carbon fiber structures in their plane.
And have you been selling much of this in Thailand so far?
No. To be honest, it's the first time outside Europe that we go to an exhibition, and due to the close relationship to our Thailand agency, we decided that this might be a nice opportunity to get in contact and to show something.
So what is your objective of coming here today?
I think to train the colleagues from our agency Krasstec and to enable and to get in contact with first customer. And this morning the most interesting visit was somebody who built ships, a shipbuilder. They are using a lot of fiber reinforced plastics and have quite problems to find reasonable fixation points, and they were very much attractive. And as far as I know, the colleagues made some other arrangements, so we are waiting for their clients and customers.
Okay, excellent. Okay, thank you very much for talking to us. Thank you.
Okay.